Today's Japanese phrase. Hi everyone, welcome to our Japanese lesson. Today, we will learn how to use tai to say what you want to do in Japanese. The structure is simple, verb stem plus tai. This is used to say, I want to do something. Example, taberu right pointing arrow tabetai right pointing arrow I want to eat. Iku right pointing arrow ikitai right pointing arrow I want to go. Watashi wa nihon ni ikitai, watashi wa keiki o tabetai desu. You can only use tai with verbs. For polite form, just add desu, tabetai desu. Tai changes according to the subject, but usually we talk about ourselves. Try making your own sentences with tai and practice saying what you want to do in Japanese. Try using it in real life. Please subscribe to my channel.